Good morning, first graders. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. We write that as 5/15/20. Today, you're going to have activities in reading, word work, writing, math, science, and PE on your to-do list. In reading today, you're going to read a short story from one of our favorite authors, Cynthia Ryland, and it's about some of our favorite characters, Henry and Mudge, and you'll find out about an adventure they go on to their neighbor's house, and then you're going to do a little reflection on some treasures that you might want to share with your neighbors. In word work today, you're going to do a fun summer word search. So this is a word search that has all kinds of words about summer, and you'll see if you can find those in your word search today. In writing today is an exciting day in writing because we are going to finish up and celebrate our realistic fiction unit. You've been working so hard all along, and today is our day to celebrate. Now, we're going to do two parts to writing today. The first part is going to be about you. So you're going to write an about the author page, a meet the author page. And there's some ideas for what you can include in a meet the author page that's included in your link in Seesaw. I'll share with you my little about the author. So here's mine, and it says, Mrs. Darin grew up in Lafayette, California. When she was a little girl, she had a tree fort in her backyard. Mrs. Darin still lives in Lafayette with her husband, 4 kids, 2 dogs, 2 cats, and chickens. She loves teaching first graders and taking vacations with her family and friends. Mrs. Darin is also the author of How to Bake Chocolate Chip Cookies and All About Dogs. She plans to write more series books this summer. So there's my All About the Author. So you'll get a chance to do your All About the Author page today, and there's a little mini lesson to teach you how to do one of those. And then comes the most exciting part. You're going to gather all your realistic fiction stories and you are going to make a boxed set for them as a way to celebrate the end of your writing unit. So this is my box set. I have all 4 of my Gretchen stories in here, and I made it out of a cereal box. So there's also a lesson in Seesaw that shows you how to make a box like that. Then in math, you're going to show what you know in math today by adding 3 add-ins. So there's this little activity in there that looks like this, and you're going to use all the strategies we've been talking about this week, finding tens, finding doubles, to help you add these 3 add-ins. And you just write your answers in the box and turn that into your teacher to show what you know today. After that, we have a dice game called Adding Mania. You'll need 3 dice to play this. You'll roll 3 dice and add them. And there's a word problem in Seesaw, and there's also an opportunity to practice in Prodigy. For science, you're going to do an activity designed for you by your science team called Nature's Treasure Map. And you're going to create your own little map about nature. So you'll start at one end of your journal, you'll mark it and draw something that you see, and then you'll kind of draw a dotted line along the path you travel on your hike, and then draw different things that you see in nature along your hike. Kind of looks like a pirate's treasure map at the end. And then in PE, there's a really fun Go Noodle activity that teaches you how to make a squishy stress ball. And all you need is a balloon and some flour. I didn't have a balloon, so I would have to try to put that on my grocery list for the next time I go to the grocery store. So if you don't have it today, you can try and do it later. But there's the step-by-step instructions. There's also some breathing activities in there to do for Go Noodle. And then it's also Friday, so I always give you free choice to come up with your own PE activity on Friday. And if you need an idea, there's a fitness bingo chart in there as well for you to try out. I will see you all at 10 o'clock for our whole class Zoom, and today we're going to try to finish up The World According to Humphrey. We just have 20 more pages, so we'll see if we can get through all of that in our half hour today. And I have a couple more one-on-one conferences today. If you haven't had your one-on-one conference, I will see you today for sure. And I hope you all have a wonderful Friday and a happy weekend, and I will see you soon.